Hello, and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about is network marketing tutorial for beginners the most trending thing now. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about is network marketing tutorial for beginners, the most trending thing now, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. Network marketing tutorial for beginners, start making an income from home today. How will you find the most trending thing now? Would you like to learn about ways to make an income from home? Well, with the internet is getting ever more popular, this is now possible. Nowadays there are numerous internet companies that offer training packages to help people make money online. You can choose one of these. Or if you want to join an already established company, you can also go ahead and start your own home-based business. There are many steps to learn and do. You will find a program that suits you best. Of course, you have to be ready to make it all interesting and involve the number of hours in order to get you started. It is easy to become bored when you start working at it for some time. However, this is what keeps you going. Sooner or later you will find out that the no novice's way in this regard does not work for you. But the first thing you should learn is that you do not want to be left behind. You will find out that the more the learning curve, the harder it gets to learn. That is why you need to stay with the program until it ends. You will find these training packages on the internet so you can get to know each of them. You will find a lot of questions which you need to answer. What these packages are about. What kind of options they give you, what you need to learn, what you need to know before joining, etc. It is a network marketing tutorial for beginners, and then you can find out how to start making an income. All you need to do is spend time learning how to work with your network marketing training. Do you want to know how to make money with your business online? Well, you will have to find a program. If you do not, you will find it harder to succeed. In the past, people were scared of starting a new business, because they were unsure of how to go about it. They could have tried one opportunity after another, but instead, they chose to start with the most popular ones. The bottom line is, they got to know the ins and outs and were successful. You too can be successful if you are prepared to put in the time. You will learn this through trial and error. There is no other way that will let you learn in the long run. You will see that it is a process, not a singular moment. Network marketing tips for beginners, taking action. Do you want to learn network marketing tips for beginners? If so, then you are in the right place. In this article one will share with you the secrets of taking your network marketing business to the next level. Start taking advantage of social media. Social media is a wonderful opportunity for network marketers to gain leads, build a network of like-minded people, and even generate a great deal of free internet advertising. You just have to understand the right tools to use in order to get the most out of social media. You can also take advantage of social networking sites like Facebook, MySpace, and LinkedIn to help you learn network marketing tips for beginners. These sites provide an opportunity for you to create a virtual space for networking that will actually help you build your online business. Once you become more comfortable with these sites, you will be able to include them in your marketing strategies. Join a local group. While you may think that you are on the right if you join a national network marketing organization, it is always beneficial to start by joining a local group or club. This will give you access to the advice and support that you need. Online marketing is a great way to grow your business. To learn network marketing tips for beginners, you need to find out what it takes to promote your products online. In fact, you should never overlook the importance of online marketing. This is the first step to help you build your online presence and expand your customer base. Put yourself in the shoes of a website owner and consider the fact that your entire income depends on the number of people who have your website and your email list. It's important that you take full advantage of the power of an internet marketing business. Follow these network marketing tips for beginners to ensure that you create a successful online home business. Start asking for referrals from other successful network marketers. It doesn't matter whether they know you personally or not, they all understand that word of mouth is the best form of advertisement there is. By having someone's ear, you are giving them permission to put a referral fee on your website. Offer customers special promotions. While promotional deals can be tempting to most marketers, sometimes they are actually a bad idea. They can ruin your reputation, make you look like a spammer, and cost you a bundle of money in terms of advertising costs. Buy an ad on search engines. The majority of web surfers prefer to use search engines to find products instead of surfing the web manually looking for information. So in order to get them to your site, use search engine optimization to drive them to your website. Consider an opt-in list. Use social networking sites such as Facebook and MySpace to build your opt-in list. Social networking allows you to build a list that can be used in conjunction with your opt-in list to help you build your business. Put your best foot forward in front of your prospective customers. People go to the web to look for information, you have to convince them that you are the one person they should trust and buy from. This is where it pays to come off as a professional and don't be a jerk. Start learning network marketing tips for beginners and start growing your business. It's easy to do, and if you work hard enough, you can reach the top. Now get out there and take action. Are you using social media marketing as part of your network marketing success secrets? If you want to learn more about network marketing success secrets, this article is for you. You will learn about how you can build a successful business through network marketing, and how you can use social media to help your business grow as well. What is network marketing? Network marketing is a strategy that involves connecting with other individuals who are involved in the same business as you are. It is essentially using social media marketing to help build and expand your company's presence on the internet. Social media marketing is a process of taking advantage of social networking websites, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest to boost the visibility of your company and your products and services. Many people think that social media marketing is about promoting products and services, but that is only one of the different areas you can promote online. There are many different ways you can use social media to help your business grow. One of the most important things to do is to make sure that you are constantly adding to your company's online presence. This will be very helpful because you can expand your reach by connecting with other people who are interested in what you have to offer. One way you can do this is to use social media marketing in a more direct way. You can offer advice or tips on what you think people are looking for in the products and services you offer. For example, if you offer a very good quality product, then you can offer the person you are helping to find a better alternative to their current product or service. This is the perfect time to give out an opinion that can benefit others. You can also market your similar products to other people, and you can even offer them tips that will help them avoid common mistakes that can be made with your product. The internet is a very large place, and you can reach thousands of people at once if you know where to focus your attention. You should take advantage of social networking websites to market your products and services because it is an effective way to reach people you would not otherwise get to know. You can reach people in other countries, and you can also reach people in different professions that are related to your industry. You can also make friends and develop relationships with people in the area that you are trying to target. Your main goal when you start network marketing is to grow your business, and if you can find others that have the same goal as you, then you can help them reach their goals as well. By marketing yourself through social media, you can communicate with the people that matter to you and develop friendships with people who have a similar sense of purpose. It is a great way to connect with others who have the same passions as you do. While you can use this marketing method for personal development, you should not promote your business in a way that is disrespectful to anyone. If you feel that you have a need to improve your reputation, then you should respect the needs of others and remember that everyone has the right to voice their opinion. Those are some of the network marketing success secrets that you can use to help you grow your business and expand your online presence. You should use this information to help you reach the people that matter to you the most and make sure that you reach as many people as possible. Thanks for watching my video about as network marketing tutorial for beginners, the most trending thing now. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.